Hello people, I am in Cebu City, and where did I stay here? I'm right here at Holiday Plaza Hotel. So let's get inside and see what room I checked in. No bell service, that's alright. This is the lobby, welcome. And this is our front desk. Friendly staff, and they have a restaurant. They offer buffet breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. at 442 pesos. They serve fresh fruit and buffet breakfast. They have bread of all sorts and a mini pasalubong center. So, they have a bake shop for yummy goodies and for your toiletries as well. They also have a massage service in your room for 600 pesos, open until 2 o'clock in the morning. If you have a car, this is the parking space of the hotel, and this is, let's walk towards the lobby and check out our room. This is the key to my room, and then you place it here to activate electricity. This is the card. Okay, and then turn electricity on. You leave your key right there. Light switch. There's a bar and ooh, yummy goodies inside. Costs so much more, of course. Of course, what is a room without a view of Cebu City? This is my room in Holiday Plaza Hotel. It's got a mirror, TV, and queen-sized bed. Alright, carpeted flooring. And let's check out the bathroom. There's a bathtub in here. Hello. Hot and cold shower, I believe. Alrighty, all the amenities. This is Joan of Arc, and see you once again in our next stop. We're headed towards Mactan for a day trip. Hello, this is Joan of Arc, and I'm on the 38th floor of Crown Regency Tower Hotel, and they feature this amazing Sky Extreme Adventure. Sky Extreme Adventure at the top of this tower, but I don't think I can do that. I'm just showing you around Cebu City from this height. Alright, that's the view. This used to be the tallest building in Cebu until 2015. Yeah. Okay. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Whoa! Extreme adventures, skywalk, and all that, but I'm not willing to do that. Not tonight.